Second step of installation, hopefully will go well, is to install the headers, the header tubes, the tube. So the longer pipe, see there's two distances, the longer pipe, which is this one, goes on the right side, and the shorter one goes in the left side. Actually, there's no mistake because there's only one way the Delkevic can go. So this thing will go inside like this. Okay, so now first thing we're gonna do is try to place that in there. Okay, right, and now we'll try to install the hold on. A ver, quita la mano, quita. Okay, all right. Okay, so okay, hold on. Thank you, guy. This is tough. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. I guess it has to be patience. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Oh man. I'll just put this one first. Yes. Okay, hold on. Here, I can tell you how to do it.
Agarra. Ahí, perfecto.
Okay. Alright, so the problem is how to install this baby without. Okay, so let's get the extender.
Venga.
Carefully, slowly. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. It's not going through.
No, porque...
No, it's not going through. Okay.
Ay.
A ver. Can you move the gasket inside, please?
Okay.
The one, that one. Move it. Yeah.
Me estoy enganchando.
No, a ver si ahora engancha. Okay, there you go. Oof. Hard. Hey, boys, this is hard, guys. Okay. Now, let's try to put this one on. Okay. Let's put this one in the extender. It doesn't reach it. Mira. I think the gasket here that we put in there, we have to remove it because it's not actually reaching this one this way. See, it doesn't have enough. See, it doesn't have enough to hold it. Maybe. Okay, hold on. Maybe if I'm lucky. It's not. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I believe this is a failure installation. This second step, I guess the gaskets are too thick and cannot go. Oh shit. Okay. So we're gonna repeat the installation. Okay, so we're gonna remove those gaskets with pliers.